Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to wish you all a happy Naw-Ruz. Naw-Ruz means new day in Persian and has been celebrated in Iran since ancient times. And the Baha'i New Year, it marks the end of the 19th-day fast in the Baha'i faith. Welcome in the spring season for Naw-Ruz by diving into the new Persian Kitchen by Louisa Shafia. This is filled with plenty of refreshing recipes and available for checkout at your local branch. Today's recipe is Cleansing Spring Nettle Soup. For your ingredients, you will need 5 cups of vegetable stock or water, half a pound of spinach, 1 yellow onion finely diced, 1½ tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, half a teaspoon ground turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a pound of fresh peas or thawed frozen peas, 2 tablespoons of dried mint, salt and pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of lemon. Step 1. Bring the stock or water to a boil in a large pot. Then add your washed spinach to the stock and boil for 1 minute. This is also known as blanching. Step 2. Remove from the heat and drain your stock and your spinach into a colander placed over a large container to reserve the stock. Step 3. Put the rinsed pot back onto the stove over medium heat. Add in your oil, followed by the onions, and cook for about 5 minutes until soft. Step 4. Add in your garlic, turmeric, cayenne, and reserve cooking stock and bring it back to a boil. Step 5. Now you need to lower your heat and add your reserved spinach back into the pot and then let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Step 6. Add in your peas and cook for about 5 minutes until they are just tender. Step 7. Season with salt and pepper and then stir in your dried spearmint until it's well combined. Step 8. Carefully ladle the soup into a bowl and then add in your lemon juice just before serving. All that's left is to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.